We almost finished now all the user REST API requests. There is a small thing now that we need to change, which is the index function. Now we are returning all the users, which is not a good practice, because let's say we have 20,000 users, the query will be very slow. It's recommended in these cases to use pagination. Luckily, Laravel has already a paginate function which already does all the things that we need. Before we see how the paginate function works, I would like to improve a little bit these highlights here, because someone might think that this function doesn't exist. To do it, we need to install a Laravel helper called Laravel IDE helper. Let's copy this line now and paste it to our terminal. Let's wait till it's done. Now that the package is installed, write php artisan IDE generate. So this will create an IDE helper file, which is located here. Now we need to run another command, which is php artisan IDE models. Type yes, and we got an error, so we have to go inside the Docker container to run this command. So let's run it again, php artisan IDE models. Yes. So only one file was written, was user.php, and now it will highlight these files, but it doesn't update it immediately because it's a little bit slow. Now let's see how paginate is used. Open Postman and open the GET request. Let's send the request, and now we can see that we have more things. We have the current page, we have the data that is returned, we have the first page URL, and a bunch of other pagination information. The one that we are more interested is the current page, the last page, the per page, and the total. Also, out of the box, Laravel uses also some query strings. For example, if I use here page equals to 2, I will go to the second page. And if we change the page to 23, which doesn't exist, it will return an empty object. This is how Laravel paginate works. Now we can see that the highlight is gone now. We can see that these functions already exist. So if we use user, we have find or fail, we have create, etc. So I suggest to use this package for your Laravel project.